Lori's
Look at
like,
it.
hey,
That's
Lori,
why
you
I don't
better
fix this
hang
stuff.
on. You better hang
Hold
on.
on tight.
What? Because my wife left with another
No,
man?
just look at my
Look
pole.
at,
Look
hey,
at my pole jumping around.
look at my man, my wife. She got a new man.
Joe, you're getting laid tonight.
Oh, say, hold on tight, babe. Yeah, huh?
As fast
Hey,
as possible.
circles, buddy, circles.
No, slow down.
They cut through the
Oh my God.
Hey, watch my fishing line though.
Ah, he's done.
Oh, you can't do wake there. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. She better hold on tight.
Hey, he did good.
I didn't mean
He's trying to lose
Look
her.
at, oh my God. She's gonna-
Here's my proof. I do have a child that lives here. This kid's running around with it.
Look at that
Oh
shit.
my God. She's flying.
Oh my God, that's
Oh,
fucking.
whoa! Look at my pole.
That's
Get out there. Go, go.
meow.
Look at this guy.
Oh my God. Ow.
Joe, this is why I don't fish.
Happy birthday.
Right?
Fuck yeah, she will. Hey, now I gotta go buy a jet ski.
Hey, he's also got to make a card. You should see the card my son made her. He's like, God damn it.
Son of a dog. I got a speedboat. She likes.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh, I
she
thought
likes fast.